how to remove Google Calendar on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, tap on Calendar. Then in Calendar, tap on the menu button at the top. Next, we scroll down. Now in here, you can simply deselect any of the Google Calendar, and that will remove Google Calendar from your main Calendars app. If you want to totally remove Google account, you can do that as well. So we can swipe down and go into settings. Now scroll down and tap on accounts and backup. Then tap on manage accounts. Here tap on your Google account. And then in here you can tap on remove account to remove your Google account. Or you can go into sync account and then turn off calendar from the Google account. So those are your different options that you can use. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.